Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Innal hamdalillah wassalatu wassalamu ala man la nabiyya ba'da. Faqad qala Allah tabarak wa ta'ala fi kitabihil kareem. Wa iz faraqna bikumul bahra fa anjaynakum wa aghraqna ala fir'auna wa antum tanzurun. آمنت بالله صدق الله العظيم وبلغنا رسوله النبي الكريم ونحن على ذلك لمن الشاهدين والشاكرين والحمد لله رب العالمين. Respected brothers and sisters, I have decided to take a verse from the Holy Quran. Almighty Allah says in the Quran, chapter number 2 and verse number 50. وَإِذْ فَرَقْنَا بِكُمُ الْبَحْرَ فَأَنْجَيْنَاكُمْ وَأَغْرَقْنَا آلَ فِرْعَوْنَ وَأَنْتُمْ تَنْظُرُونَ. And when we parted the sea for you, then we rescued you and drowned the Pharaoh's people as you were looking on. Dear brothers and sisters, this verse refers to certain things which had happened in the days of Sayyidina Musa. He, in his capacity as a messenger of Almighty Allah, continued efforts for a long time to make the Pharaoh and his people see truth. But when they persisted in their denial, Almighty Allah commanded him to take the Israelites along with him and leave Egypt surreptitiously. On their way, they came across the sea, while the Pharaoh was behind him with his army in boat pursuit. Almighty Allah commanded the sea to split and make a way for Musa and his people. So they went away smoothly. But when the Pharaoh and his people followed them into the sea, it gathered the water back so that the Pharaoh and his people were drowned then and there. My dear brothers and sisters, here there is a doctrinal point. There are some additional points in this verse. Number one, no one can kill whom Almighty Allah wants to rescue. The Pharaoh and his people wanted to kill Musa alayhi salam, and Almighty Allah wanted to rescue Musa alayhi salam and his people. So the Pharaoh and his people were unable to kill Musa alayhi salam. On the contrary, Almighty Allah drowned the Pharaoh and his people into the sea. Number two, we should never fear such a person who wants to destroy our belief. We should always fear Almighty Allah. Why? Because He is the owner of life. He is the owner of death. He is the owner of respect. He is the owner of disrespect. Unanimously, He is the owner of all. We should never fear such a person who wants to destroy our belief. And we should never be disappointed from the mercy of Almighty Allah. Number three, miracles are worked at the hand of prophets. May Allah give us ability to understand the Quran. May Allah give us ability to understand the Hadith. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.